Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make trending couple moon wallpaper using Picsart. Just simple, you can open the apps and tap on add icon in the bottom and select collage grids and choose two moon photos that's downloaded in Google, for example, and click next. And you can change the layout with this layout and then change ratio with stories, and you can change background with black color and then just for scale like this. Here we go. This is trending couple moon wallpaper using Picsart. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and share things. Bye bye.